Love me like I love you. Love me like I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. You got me in my feelings.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you guys some of my favorite press-on nails at the moment. I honestly have been completely obsessed with press-on nails. I haven't been to an actual salon in maybe 2, possibly 3 years, so I've been really into press-on nails. My collection is not as big as a lot of people, but it's definitely growing, and I just want to share with you guys some of my favorites that I have come across at the moment. So if you're interested in seeing my favorite press-on nails at the moment, of course continue watching this video. Also guys, the nails that I have on right now are some nails that I did myself. If you guys are interested in the nails that I have on right now and how I created these, I will try my hardest to link it up in the cards. If not, it's definitely on my channel. I do have a playlist created for when I used to do these videos kind of often on my channel, so I will link that up in the cards as well. I don't want this video to be extremely long, so let's go ahead and get into these press-on nails. A few. I have maybe 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, maybe 15 to 16 different press-on nails in here, and I'm not going to do them in any particular order, so let's go ahead and get started. The first pair of nails that I have been completely obsessed with are by Kiss. As a matter of fact, a lot of these press-on nails that I have here are from Kiss because I feel like they have like the perfect press-on nails. And also Goldfinger. Most of these you can find at either like your drugstore or beauty supply store, and I believe I got most of mine from the beauty supply store. So the first pair that I will be sharing with you guys are these Kiss Gel Fantasy Nails. These are so cute and simple, but they're like super girly because they're glittery. So let me show you guys close up, as y'all can see. And I actually picked these up from my local beauty supply store for $7.99. These I feel like you can wear every day. It's not doing too much, and they're also not super long either. I just think these are so cute and simple but girly at the same time. So this is the first pair that I have in my collection. So the next pair I have in my collection may be one of my favorites because like it's just so girly and pink. So these are also by Kiss. These are another one of their Gel Fantasy like on trend translucent nails, and this is how this pair looks. Super cute. As y'all can see, some are just like the ombre pink, some have like the little stones on it, and some just have like the glitter in them as well. Probably one of my favorite pairs out of my collection because I just think they're so cute. And I also believe I picked up these from the beauty supply store for $10. So yeah, and I've actually worn a lot of these nails already. Well, most of these nails I have already worn, but I don't keep my nails on for long at all because I work in healthcare and we can't really wear acrylic long nails at the moment. So press-on nails have become my best friend. So a lot of these nails, like I've only worn maybe for 1 or 2 days and I take them off, so they're still really good. The next pair of nails that I have been loving are from Goldfinger. This is a big brand in the beauty supply store too when it comes to buying press-on nails. This is their Luxury Elegance at Your Fingertips. These are the lavishly handcrafted with 3D jewels. They're so cute, and they're not like super long at all, so they're just like this gray color. Some have like the silver glitter, the stones, and just like the matte gray. So I absolutely love these. Another pair that I have been completely obsessed with are from Kiss as well. This is another pair of their Jelly Fantasy Nails. These are like pink, blue, green, and they have stones on it. So this is how this set looks. Super cute. These are like perfect for like spring and summer. Like they're just so cute, and these were $8.99 from my local beauty supply store. This pair of nails are from Kiss. Of course, these are their masterpiece, one of a kind Luxe Mini nails. In this pair, they have like a marble color. They also have like some soft pink with stones, and they also have like silver in them as well. And this is that set, like super cute. This is the, if you guys can see, like the marble color. They have like the, I guess like chrome, I guess this may be chrome silver colors, and then the little soft pink nails with the silver stones in them. These are so cute, and I got these for $11.99 from the beauty supply store. The next pair of nails are from Goldfinger. This is another pair of their lavishly handcrafted 3D nails, and it's just like this blue, and they just have like the accent nails, which one has like this cute little design here, and there's some with like glitter in them. These are like one of my favorite pair as well, and yeah, I just absolutely love these. Another simple pair of nails but also super girly are another pair by Kiss, another one of their Gel Fantasy, and this one is just like glitter, just an all over glitter nails, super simple but cute and girly at the same time. And these were $9.99, and they're just super cute, and I don't even know if I had these on for a whole day. I don't think so. I think I put these on one night when I was going out, then I took them off that same day. So the pair from Kiss that I have are like the Glam Fantasy Ultimate Illusion nails. They're cute and short, just have like a few burgundy shades of nails in here, as well as glitter nails, and like these like, I guess like opal chrome type of nails in here as well. These are another pair that I just think are so cute, and you can dress these nails up like with like a fancy outfit. I feel like these are more of like some type of special occasion nails. So yeah, I absolutely love these. It's another one of my favorites. It's like pink nails. Some are matte and some are kind of shiny, and then they also have like some stone accent nails. So y'all, these are another one of my favorites. I can't remember the price of these. I don't have them on here anymore, but y'all, these are like so cute. Nails that I have are from Goldfinger. This is another gel glam nail. These are really simple. They're like a ombre French nail, and this is what it looks like. Super cute and simple. If you could wear nails to work, these are perfect. They're like a simple French manicure, super cute, and these were only $6.49. And the last two pair of nails that I will be showing you guys are two of my like most recent pickups, and y'all, they are to die for. So this one is from Goldfinger. They were $6.99. This one is pretty different. I haven't seen like press-on nails like this, but I just feel like they are so cute. So let me show y'all. So these nails are like the type of trend that's going on right now with like multiple colors. They are so cute, and I feel like they're perfect for summer. So I picked them up because they were different. They also, as y'all can see, have a few gold accent nails in here as well. Like I said, they're pretty different than like a lot of the press-on nails I have right now, but they are so cute, and I cannot wait to wear these. Like, look at these. Pair are by Kiss. These are like some matte mint green nails. These were $10. This is what they look like. I don't think they're the true color is picking up on camera. On camera they're looking more like just blue, but they are like a mint green. They're so cute, coffin shaped, and I cannot wait to rock these nails this summer. These are like the perfect mint green nails. Like, y'all, they are so cute. yeah guys, those were all of the nails that I had to show you in this video. If you guys enjoyed this, of course give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know which pair of these nails you guys like, or if you have any of these, let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video.